So in order to finally get started with this course project and to finally write some React code, we of course need a React project. And you could create a new React project as shown in the first course section, either locally, for example with create React app by using this command, which I also showed you in the first course section, or you go for a browser-based solution by typing react.new into your browser address bar, which gives you a new React project running in Code Sandbox in your browser. But for this section, as for almost all sections in this course, I actually already created a starting project for you. And you find it attached to this lecture. You find a zip file if you want to follow along locally, and a Code Sandbox link if you want to follow along with Code Sandbox, so without installing anything on your system. Now, if you do go for the local project, you must have Node.js installed, as mentioned in the first course section, and you should in general take a look at this lecture in the first course section where I explain how to create and run React projects locally on your system. And inside of that downloaded starting snapshot, so inside of that unzipped zip file, you must run npm install as a first step to install all dependencies that are required by this project to run correctly. You don't need to do anything like that on Code Sandbox, but you do need to do that locally on your system. You can ignore any warnings you might be getting there, but after you ran this command, you can run npm start to start that development server, which allows you to preview this React project. And that's the React project with which we'll continue over the next lectures. And we'll start by taking a closer look at that src folder, this source folder here.